Hey guys, my name is Samuel Sagwa, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the Quantum by Adidas and Kanye West in the Barium colorway. These released on the 25th of June 2020 here in the UK for the retail price of £220. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic from StockX, and it comes with your classic Yeezy styed out box with QNTM at the top. The style code is H68771, and inside the box you get the shoes in beige Yeezy wrapping paper. No accessories this time, but the bungee laces do feature rubber melted lace tips or aglets. An extra set of reflective rope laces would have been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. The Yeezy team has added a new colorway to their growing Quantum line, which follows the OG basketball performance and lifestyle models that released earlier in 2020. These Bariums feature a stone grey plastic mesh upper with a medium grain ash grey suede toe box. More grey translucent rubber overlays can be seen across both sides of the mid panel with a matte black and silver plastic heel cap. All of this sits on a translucent white midsole with a slightly yellowed rubber outsole. My overall experience with the Yeezy Quantum Barium for the last 3 months have been very similar to the 350 and 380, which is very comfortable with a full bouncy boost sole. It features a rounded neoprene tongue that wraps around the lower forefoot combined with the extended collar for improved lockdown and stability. I like the padded collar as well as the silver details, but I do wish it was reflective like the Quantum OG basketball reflective lifestyle pair. This high top basketball style looks great with both shorts and trousers and jeans. I like the darker colorway, is very versatile and easy to style, but most importantly easy to maintain and keep clean. Due to this it gets my 2 pairs minimum rating, so yes, I did double up on these. And before I go, I just want to make a big thank you to you guys who've been watching me for the last 3 or 4 years. We just hit 3 million views on the channel, which is a very big milestone, so I really appreciate for all the support. And yeah, more videos to come. So did you manage to pick these up? Did you miss out? Let me know why in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment basketball to show me you watched this video to the end. Just like, subscribe and follow me if you like my content. Apart from that, have a good day.